Everyone is talking about NFT, not because it sounds cool when you say NFT, but because there is a lot of money involved. We are talking about money. Vignesh Sundararajan paid $69 million for an art collection by Michael Winkelmann known as Beeple on Instagram. And that's worth of learning what NFT is. Let's start with what each letter means. Non-fungible token. If something is fungible, it is easy to exchange with something else of the same type and also value. A good example of something fungible are apples in grocery shops. You can pick any that you want, but if you don't like it, you can exchange it for another one that has the same price and tastes the same. Token holds a representation of concrete things like items in video games, lottery tickets, or in Beeple's case, a piece of art in an image form. So non-fungible token is a token that is unique, meaning that there is no other of the same kind, and therefore it gives assets like digital art a power of being collectible. It's like Mona Lisa, there is just one, therefore it's valuable. So how is NFT created? In order to explain that, we first have to start with smart contracts, which are simply programs running on Ethereum blockchain, a database that is shared between many computers on the internet. The smart contract is responsible for creating, or in crypto jargon, minting the NFTs. It sends the transaction request to Ethereum blockchain. That transaction is signed by our private key, which verifies that we did it. Think of it as Picasso signing his paintings, so the whole world knows that he was the one who created it. To save the transaction on blockchain, it has to be processed by miners, and that costs us a gas fee. Yes, that's how all the miners who buy out all the graphic cards get their Ethereum from people who use the blockchain. Miners take our transaction with hundreds of others and form it to a block. And this block full of transactions is appended to the tail of a chain that has other blocks. That's where the name blockchain comes from. Now you know how the NFT is created. Obviously, doing it all by yourself would require a lot of programming skills and time. So instead of diving into code, you can create, sell and trade NFTs on sites like Rarible, Foundation or OpenSea. Now it is the best time to start creating NFTs and earn money from your art. So don't hesitate, go to those sites and start living the future.
It's time to NFT.
If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Thang and
Michael
are out.